everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I got this fresh dewy makeup look. So if you want to know, then let's start with the video. For that fresh dewy look, I'm going to use Nykaa rosehip cold pressed oil. I'm taking few drops on the tip of my finger and going to gently just dab it onto my skin. And the moisturizer I'm going to use is from L'Oreal Paris. This is Hydra Fresh Anti-Ox Grapeseed Hydrating Aqua Balm. So this is slightly on the heavier side and I'm going to take it again on my fingertips and generously applying it all over my face. This is a perfect moisturizer for winters because this is a super dry season and we want something which is a little extra hydrating. So this is perfect for your face. For that extra hydration, I'm going to use Colorbar Spotlight Illuminating Lotion. And I'll be taking this again on my fingertips. And I'm trying to keep it only to the highest point of my face. For the primer, I'm using Wet n Wild primer, and this one is a good affordable option if you want something that blur out your pores. Then you can definitely give it a try to this particular primer. For the foundation, I'm using Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation Plus Concealer in the shade Warm Beige, and this is a beautiful foundation, guys. It gives you that natural flawless finish. It lasts for a really long time. You just have to take a single pump of this, and this is on the thick side, so you do not need much. And with that damp beauty blender, just blend it out and this will look really beautiful, guys. And it's also not on the matte side and not on the dewy side, it's somewhere in between. So for that dewy look, I opted out for this foundation. And the coverage also is pretty good. So if you do not have dark circles, guys, you can skip on your concealer and you can totally go with this foundation around your eyes, on your eyelids. For the concealer, I'm using this Pack Takeover concealer and I'm in the shade Birthday Suit. And this is again a good natural finish concealer. So if you're looking for something which is light and you can use for every day, I think it's a beautiful concealer. With the warmth of your fingers, it's going to melt nicely onto your eye area. So I personally like to, blend it out with the help of my fingertip. I think this gives beautiful coverage to your eye area if you blend it out with your fingertips. So you can definitely try your fingers for blending out this particular concealer if you do not want that much coverage and sometimes you just want something really natural for your eye area. Not too much, not heavy. Plus there's great range in this concealer. So everyone has their shade, and I think that's a great thing to have in foundation and concealer. Everyone has their own shade because that's very important. Next thing I'm using is this Maybelline Fit Me Press Powder and I'm in the shade Pure Beige, and I'll just set my eyes with this powder. So taking a little amount of this press powder on the sponge and very lightly just setting the concealer around my eyes because that's the area where I have applied a concealer mainly, and very lightly just patting this sponge all over my face. I don't have any extra product on this, but just just setting a little bit of foundation all over my face. For the blush, I'm using Colorbar Cheekillusion blush in the shade Coral Craving 009, and this is how the blush looks. because I want to keep this look dewy and at the same time a little toned down. So I've gone very light on my cheeks with this blush. For the highlighter, I'm using Wet n Wild highlighting powder. And with the help of a small brush, I'll just apply it on my usual areas. For the eyebrows, I'm using this Wet n Wild retractable brow pencil, and I'm using this in the shade medium brown. And I'm just going to fill in the sparse areas. I'm not going to do really much for my brows. I'm going very lightly with this brow pencil. Just with small strokes, I'm going to define my brows. That's it. I think this is the first time I've done them so quickly. For my eyelids, I'm using this brown shade and I'm just going to apply it on my eyelid area. Actually all over my eyes, because that's how they're going to look a little bit defined, and not going to apply any other eyeshadow on my eyes today. Just want to keep them super natural. So you can use any light brown shade, like depending on your skin tone, you can go with the brown tones. And they look really natural and beautiful, especially when you're going for something which is natural and, you know, fresh. Brown is the best color to have on your eyes. And just blending it out. Now I'm just curling my lashes for mascara, and very quickly I'm doing that. And for the mascara, I'm using this Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. This is again a beautiful mascara, guys. If you want your lashes to stand out and, you know, to look beautiful, just go with this mascara and your lashes will look really flattering. For the kajal, I'm using this K Beauty kajal. This is in the shade Black Spade. And for the lipstick, I'm going to use Chilli Nude Maybelline Creamy Matte by Color Sensational. This is how the shade looks, guys. Such a pretty shade, guys. I just love this shade. You can totally rock any shade you want, guys. Nudes, pinks, any shade you want to. So this is the final look, guys. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, then please hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel. Also, please hit the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I'll be posting a video in future. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm going to see you in my next. Till then, keep smiling, stay positive. Bye.